Delicious homemade lemon garlic shrimp with Parmesan rice recipe. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we've got a mouth-watering recipe that's perfect for any occasion, homemade lemon garlic shrimp with Parmesan rice. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this incredible flavor combination. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to try this recipe. Now, let's get started. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this delicious dish. 1 pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined. 2 cups of jasmine rice. 4 cups of chicken broth. Half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, chopped. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 lemon for zest and juice. Now that we have our ingredients, let's start cooking. First, we'll prepare the Parmesan rice. In a saucepan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Then, add 2 cups of jasmine rice and stir to coat the rice with the garlic-infused oil. Now, pour in 4 cups of chicken broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it with a fork and add half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Stir until the cheese is melted and the rice is creamy. Set it aside. Next, let's move on to the star of the show, the lemon garlic shrimp. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat. Add the peeled and deveined shrimp to the skillet. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Cook the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until they turn pink and opaque. While the shrimp are cooking, zest a whole lemon. We'll use this for an extra burst of citrusy flavor. Squeeze the lemon to extract its juice. We'll add this to the shrimp for that perfect balance of acidity. Once the shrimp are cooked, add the lemon zest and juice to the skillet. Toss everything together to coat the shrimp in that delicious lemon garlic goodness. Now, let's plate our masterpiece. Spoon a generous portion of the Parmesan rice onto each plate, and top it with our lemon garlic shrimp. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color. And there you have it, homemade lemon garlic shrimp with Parmesan rice. A dish that's not only easy to make but also bursting with incredible flavors. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel for more tasty creations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thank you very much, homemade lemon garlic shrimp with Parmesan rice lovers.